Do you have to pay to get a California seller's permit? The answer here is no. A California seller's permit is completely free. There is no registration charge. There is no annual fee. A seller's permit is free. However, different aspects of your other types of business registrations are not free. So a California seller's permit is what you get in order to have the ability to sell tangible products in the state of California. If you intend to make 3 or more sales of tangible products within a 12-month period, then you are required to hold a California seller's permit. Now, you also are required to hold a California seller's permit if you hold nexus within the state. And I have a video that explains that linked in the description down below. It then obligates you to file and pay California sales and use tax returns and pay your California sales and use taxes. So obviously that part is not free unless you didn't make any sales and you're filing a simple $0 return. Now, while a California seller's permit may be free, other types of business registrations that you are required to get in addition to a seller's permit are not free. This includes things like your business license, your doing business as or a fictitious business name statement. Business registrations that are not free include things like a business license or a business tax certificate, a fictitious business name statement, also known as a DBA, as well as for those of you that choose to form an LLC, that requires a filing fee with the state of California as well.